Hello everyone, my name is Sarang and I made an app for the Vision Pro called Soothing Boids. The link for it is down in the description. Today I'm going to show you a demo of this app, and if you stick around till the end, I have a gift for you. Let's begin. The app has a minimal UI with multiple calming scenes to choose from. So here's the first scene. The first scene is free play in your environment. When you open a scene, you're greeted with a short proverb to ground you. Nothing happens abruptly, everything fades in smoothly. The boids appear slowly in front of you. I have optimized them to run smoothly, and you can even interact with them. They gently repel when you reach out to them. You can place them inside any of your Apple Vision Pro's environments. Beyond that, there are 3 guided sessions with calming music and voiceovers. I even created the background music myself, and it uses spatial audio. It is fully immersive.
Welcome. You've arrived here in this calm underwater world. Take a slow breath in and gently let it out. Allow yourself to settle here.
Look at the luminous blue shapes moving together. Their glow shifts gently, their motion unhurried. Simply watch.
The last scene is a little bonus. Some information about me, plus a peek at the code behind the boids. So here's your gift. If you wanted to know how the boids are implemented using MeshInstanceComponent, this is where you'll find it. If you want me to make an in-depth tutorial about how the boids were made, please let me know in the comments. And that's it for the demo. The app is completely free with no subscriptions. You can download it right now. The link is in the description. And if you want to see more Apple Vision Pro content, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See ya!